Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. Take and Play Adventures. Season 7, Episode 90. Mail Train Coming Through. Percy is one of the smallest engines on the Fat Controller's mail. He pulls his mail train all the way from Knapford to Tidmouth to Vickerstown to Ulster. He gets to stop in every city on the island of Sodor to pull his mail train. He's done this job for years and has never gotten bored of it. He goes where he needs to. He pulls into place at one of their stations, and then soon he pulls away, dropping off mail. He never wants to stop doing this job. But every day his mail car becomes a little later, and he doesn't even need to go all the way to Ulfstead. Because of the cell phone, his mail car has barely any mail left in it, and it's getting less and worse. Now, Fat Controller knows Percy loves this job and wishes he could do something about it. Sometimes there's no mail at all, and he's just sitting there waiting for the engines to pass by. Poor old Percy. Thomas saw how glum Percy was. Then he had an idea, but it was a very mischievous one, and he wasn't supposed to do it. Thomas pulled into the Blue Mountain Quarry and dropped Annie and Clarabelle off in a siding. He spun around. There. It's the main power source with the flag wrapped around it. Once I put this out, the island will lose power. And it did, but it wasn't a good idea. They had just get electrical mail for Stafford so he could run without having to be charged. So when Thomas crashed into it, he couldn't move anymore. Oh no! Gordon's going to be coming through soon! What do I do? After doing his mischievous plan, he went to tell Percy about it. Percy! I just cut all the electrical power. What? Why would you do that? So you'd have more chance to pull the mail train, since no one could use their phones. No! Thomas! Stafford runs on electrical power, which comes from the rails, which comes from that flag! What did you do? Oh no, where is he? I don't know. Help! Help! Stafford? Over here! Oh no! Stafford, I'm so sorry. I didn't know I would do this, and, It's okay, said Stafford frantically. But hurry, Gordon's coming through soon. Get me out of here! Right, I'll go put Annie and Clarabelle away, and then I'll get you back onto the rails. Hurry, Thomas, before it's too late. No, don't worry, Thomas, I'll help you too. Stafford, I'm coming! There you go. Now, Stafford, are your brakes on? Let me try and turn them off. Oh no, Percy, I've lost all power. I can't turn them off. What? Oh, Thomas, look what you've done now. I'm coming. Move. Stafford, turn your brakes off. He can't. You cut all electricity. We have to try again. For Stafford. For Stafford. Percy, just get him over the hill and it'll push him down. Whoa! Express coming through! Uh-oh! Oh, get out of the way! I'm going to crash! Ah! Is everyone all right? Yes. But that was very anticlimactic. I know, right? Thomas, please don't do something like this again before asking the Fat Controller. That's a good idea. Well, at least his idea worked. Telegraph poles have been knocked out all over the island. Nothing works. So I guess you'll be back on the mail run, Percy. Hooray! Well, at least something good came out of it. Now, time to start fixing everything that's crashed. You mean everything? Actually, yeah, pretty much. So Percy got back on the mail run and was as happy as could be.